Poynting theorem. Poynting theorem relates the energy transfer, electric field and magnetic field. This theorem is measure the rate of energy flow at a particular point. The mathematical relation is come in this form: P vector is equal to E cross H. We have seen the derivation. The first start with your Maxwell equation. This is the Maxwell fourth equation. Conduction current density, this one is your displacement current density. Now expand this conduction current density sigma E and displacement current density del D by del T, and arrange then come in this form. Means Maxwell's last equation is the fourth equation, this one. Now taking the product in dot product in both sides in this equation 1. Now this one be taken your dot product in equation 1. Now one of the vector identity use relation, this one your vector identity, and now arrange this one. This come in left hand side and arrange this value, this come in this form. Now we have seen this value is this come form. Now put this value in this equation 2, and this equation 3 is created here. Now we have seen Maxwell third equation, that is the del cross E is equal to minus del V by del T. B is equal to mu H, here B is equal to mu H, B put in this equation, B is equal to mu H. Now this value del cross E put in this equation third, del cross E value put equation third, here is substitute this value, and now this arrange this value in this form. Now these are terms are calculated individual terms. Here this one term is calculated, this one is come in this form, similar way this term is also come in this manner. Now substitute this value in place of this one and this one, whatever value arrange in these equations, and value put in equation number 4. Now substituting in equation number 4, this equation form comes, the value is putting here. Now arranging this again, we use here minus is multiplied in both sides, this one is come like this form. Now taking the volume integral in both sided, in left sided and right hand sided, this one be taken the volume integral in both sided. This is equation number 5 is created. Now we convert the volume to surface using divergence theorem. Now in the left hand sided, we convert only left hand sided to volume to surface, this one come in this form. Now this equation 5 is again rewrite. Now this equation is converted in the surface form, and same equation terms is used here. Now this equation is the represent your Poynting theorem. This equation is represented by the total power leaving the volume. Means somewhere suppose is the this one is given is total power leaving the volume is, suppose this is your volume, is equal to, this term is related to ohmic power dissipation, this one term is related to ohmic power dissipation, negative sign negate ohmic power dissipation, and this term is represented electrostatic field energy and magnetostatic field energy. Means overall this one relate del by del T is the rate of energy decreasing energy stored in a electric field and magnetic field. This one shows. Means by this equation number 5 we describe the Poynting theorem. The Poynting theorem is also this one indicated by this one, suppose is power in and power out, this one leaving to power volume is equal to ohmic power dissipation, this one indicate ohmic power dissipation, energy stored in a electric and magnetic field. The statement written here, the statement is that net power flowing out of a given volume V is equal to time rate of decrease in energy stored within a V volume and the ohmic losses. You see here, you also we can say Ponting theorem, total power leaving the volume is equal to ohmic power dissipation and rate of decrease in energy stored in electric and magnetic field. That is your Ponting theorem. Means the statement is very important, and by equation using this one. Now we move to next your Ponting vector. The Ponting vector is the product of E cross S, is represented by the P, capital P, is measure the rate of flow of per unit area, flow of power per unit area, that is called Ponting vector. The unit is the Ponting vector watt per meter square. This one shows you relation E cross S is equal to P, that is indicate the Ponting vector. Unit is the watt per meter square. The instantaneous rate of energy leaving the volume is represented by this one relation, and time average power is related by this one equation. Means these two equation is mind in put in our mind. This one of the relation and next one your Ponting vector was relation. Means by this equation we derive the Ponting theorem, and next one is the Ponting vector. Today in your lecture.